Hi friends, another letter. Who knows this letter? A lot of you might have this letter in your name. O, yes. Uppercase O, lowercase o. What shape is an O? Yeah, it's a circle. It's a circle. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Remember, letters can't talk. They can only make a sound. You're right. The sound that O makes is otter. Can you say otter? Otter. Say the sound with me. Otter. Yep. O says okay? Olive. Yes, this is an olive. I like the black olives better than these, but olive. Let me hear you. Olive. There's the O. Olive. This looks like a cow, but it's not. It's an ox. Can you say ox? Ox. Say it with me. Ox. There's the letter O. I bet you all know what this is. Yes. Octopus. Octopus. There's an O and there's another O. There's two O's in this. Octopus. Letter O makes ah. Anybody know what this bird is? Yeah, it's an ostrich. Yeah. Ostrich. There's the O. Ostrich. Letter O. Yes. And here's the otter again. Otter. There's your letter O. Otter. So, I want you to practice writing an O. I want you to see if you have an O in your name. Ready? O says O says Otter. Otter. O says Thanks, guys.